Hi, I'm Luca. Do you want to know what I'm doing? I'm packing for my trip. Let's get started. Luca's travel packing. Day 1. I'll be in the car for a long time. So, I need comfy clothes. Overalls. A cap. And sneakers. I can sit in the car for hours. Perfect! Day 2. Theme park day. Yeah! Time to wear something funny. A hoodie. Shorts. A silly hat. Fur shoes. And sunglasses. Perfect for going on rides. Whee! Day 3. It's pool day. My choice? A floral swimsuit. A swim cap. And flip-flops. Time to make a splash. Yoo-hoo! Day 4. Camping day. Let's wear something cool. A shirt. Blue jeans. A warm hat. And boots. I'm all set for s'mores. All done. Oh, wait. One last thing. I need a bigger suitcase.